Here is how to integrate apps in Gusto. Once you are already signed in to your Gusto account, move to the left side of the screen and look at the navigation menu. This is where you will find the area used to connect outside services with your Gusto account. In that menu, click App Directory to open the list of available integrations. When the app directory page loads, you can either browse through the available apps or use the search bar to look for a specific one. If you already know which app you want to connect, typing its name into the search field will help narrow the results. If not, you can scroll through the directory and review the options shown there until you find the app you want. After you locate the app, click on it to open its details page. This page usually gives you a short overview of what the integration does and how the app works with Gusto. Take a moment to review that information so you can confirm you have selected the correct app before moving forward. Next, look for the button that starts the connection. Depending on the app, this button may say Connect, Get Started, or use another integration label. Click that button to continue. At this point, Gusto may direct you to the external app or open a sign-in prompt if the app requires you to log in before the two services can be linked. If you are prompted to sign in, enter your account credentials for that app and continue. Be sure you are signing in to the correct account if you manage more than one. After sign in, you will usually see an authorization screen that explains what access the app is requesting. Review the permissions listed, then allow the requested access if you want the app to connect with Gusto. Once permissions are approved, continue through any additional setup options required by that integration. These options will vary depending on the app, so follow the on-screen prompts and complete only the setup requested there. Some integrations may ask you to confirm account preferences or connection settings before they finish. When the setup is complete, return to the integration screen and check the app status. You want to confirm that the app appears as connected or that the integration shows a successful connection message. If the page takes a moment to update, wait briefly and then verify the connection status again. Thanks for watching. The app you selected is now connected or successfully integrated with Gusto.